Welcome back to this YouTube video, and well, it's a Sofia and Sabrina YouTube video channel YouTube video. So today, I'm gonna show you how to draw a. Can you guess? Okay, don't draw a heart. I'm not gonna tell you how to draw a heart. It's too easy. So, I'm gonna show you how to draw a unicorn. Yes. Okay, good. So, I'm gonna show you how to draw one. Okay, I'll be with you. So yeah, unicorn. I'm gonna need a pencil. Best for a pencil, and then some markers for it at the end. Yeah, and then a paper. But starting off with a pencil. So if you ever make a mistake, it's always okay. So let's get right into this. Okay, so what you're gonna start off doing is make a line like that. Oh, and if it's like not that, like a sideways C, but make sure that, well, yeah, I'm gonna erase. See, I need to erase just that part. It's hard using one hand. So, okay, so make sure your line looks like this. And when you have done that, wait, pause if, well, just pause if I'm going too fast. Okay, next. What is this? Eraser marks. And then make a little line like that and make sure it's okay if it does like that because it's gonna be like it's. Oh, wait, I'll show you guys. Okay. So when you have done that, make sure you could go back up enough like that. If you want, just make an eyeball like this, and then like that. And then when you have done that, well, you haven't missed anything. When you have done that, make a little other one like that. It's just maybe don't make it too big like that. So like this. And then little one like that. That's gonna make it correct. And then what you could do is make a little smile or not smile. And that's gonna look like that. Oh, and of course it would need a nose. So what it might want its nose to look like is this. But that if that looks weird and it looks like something that you don't like, you will find out at the end what you want your unicorns to look like. Well, yeah. So, and then next thing to do is give it a horn and lines on like that. And then you're gonna make, when you've done that, you're gonna make this line right here bigger. Like that. At least like that long. And it has to look like that if you want to accomplish the one that looks like this. And you see, it's bald. No hair. No hair. So, you're going to have to give it hair. So, like up, when you do it, up, down, up. And like that for now. Then do it again. And then on this side, like this, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and again. Hair looks like that sometimes, pointy hair. I like to do pointy hair. That's just my type. And then like that. And don't give it too much hair. And make sure it looks like this. If you're following the steps, great. So, yeah. And too short. Don't make it too short. As long as you want its butt to be. But, like that. Oh, and of course you could add its tail like that. Start like that. Well, like a little loop. And then up and down and up. You could give it as many as you want to. And then it's gonna, of course, need legs. Oh, that's not a good leg. Now remember, since you are using pencil for this, good. And now this is what it looks like right now. No, my camera's not focusing well. I mean, I'm not using a camera. I'm using an iPhone. The iPhone that my grandma gave me. I have two grandmas. My one from the Philippines, she gave me this. So when you're doing the leg, okay, let me just set up the camera. Well, fine, let's just hold it with one hand. So when you do that, make sure it's low enough to put the foot. And this is how mine looks. And I'm gonna put the other feet on the back like this. So he's like walking. And then you could just a little trace like that. And then that's how you'll be able to cover the foot. Like that. And that's what it's gonna look like. And then all you have to do is just erase that part. And just give that a long line enough. And put another foot. And cover that up. Open that. Give a little line like that. And do the same thing that you did. Oh. Too long. So, well, this is what it looks like right now. It's gonna need a nose. If you want, you could do it like this. But that looks like a dog. So there's this thing. Unless if you don't want to give it a nose. So this is what mine looks like. So I'll see you guys later when I'm done coloring this. So yeah, 3, 2, 1. So this is what it looks like. Finally, the unicorn. So yeah, please subscribe if you haven't, and leave a comment if you liked this unicorn or not. Oh, and guess what? If we get 1,000 likes on this video, we might do something crazy. Okay, just 1,000 or 1,000,000 is fine too. So, yeah, bye!